If you've already clicked and watching the first seconds of my video, it means that the thumbnail that I put on my video is actually working. This is the thumbnail that I created, and in this video I'll be showing exactly step by step how to create it. If you don't know what is Canva, Canva is a website where you can make a lot of graphic design stuff. It allows you to create the posters, videos, logos, different kind of social media posts. In this video we will be using Canva exactly to create our YouTube thumbnail. But before we start, I just want to show you two different thumbnails. So first one you've already seen. This is the thumbnail that you clicked on, and this is the second one that I've created just to show you. You see that there is a main difference is the picture, the person who is looking at you here, and there is nobody is looking at you. So if you want to create very clickable and effective thumbnail that will bring you more views, you better to use something that will be appealing. Okay, now let's just get started and create this thumbnail from the scratch. In order to do that, you just go to your home page and you click create design. So here you can type just YouTube and it will show up YouTube thumbnails. If you click on this, it will bring you to the new page. Here you can go to the photos and search for some photos. For example, I type emotion and then I saw these pictures. So some of these pictures are free, some of them are paid, but if you have your own picture, you just go to the uploads and then upload your image here. I'll just pick a photo from here. So I recently used this picture and I'm going to just use this one. Background picture is already here. Next, what I'm going to do is just to put some text. In order to do that, I'll just go to the text menu here. I'm gonna use the heading. Here I'll just write the text. Okay, now after I've written my text, I'm going to change the fonts. So I'm gonna use a different font, which is going to be this one. I'm going to change the size. So maybe it's going to be like this. And you see that there is a huge space between the lines, and Canva allows us to easily change it. In order to do that, we will go to this menu and there is a line height. So I'm gonna decrease it. And now I'm just going to move it and adjust it. Now I'm just going to copy and paste, and I will write another text, which is effective thumbnail with Canva. Now you remember that I have this little Canva logo here. Here is a very nice feature that you can go to the elements and just search for anything that you need, like stickers, frames, or some charts and gradients. I've already used this one, so I'm gonna just click it and bring it to this place. Okay, now let's see. So I used some shapes in order to highlight some part of my text. In order to do that, I used the gradients. So if you click here, you will see different shapes, so you can choose anything that you like, and I used this one. So you just bring it here and change the size. Okay, now after I brought it to my thumbnail, I'm going to change the colors. Since I already have black color, white, and this blue color, I'm gonna use blue color just to match the style. So I'll be using this blue, and for that I will use a little lighter blue, and I will copy and paste just right below, so it will be a background for that certain phrase. Okay, now I'm going to take it and right click, and there is a feature to group it. So if you group it, it's going to be just like one object. Now I bring my text and I send it back. Now you see that it's kind of highlighted, but at the same time it is not very attractive. So if you look at my thumbnail, the word doesn't is in white. So in order to make it more attractive and more highlighted, I'm going to change the color. So it will be white. Nice. And I'm just going to take this shape, copy, and I'll paste it right here. Okay. And I will send it to the back, and I will change the color again. I will bring it a little bit down. That's how I created my thumbnail. I'll just put the question mark here. Okay, now it looks exactly the same like my thumbnail that you clicked on. So it's right here. And here I have another video I created, which was about creating a YouTube channel art. If you need to create a channel art, please have a look at this video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos.